Hey there friends, on today's quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to power off and then power back on an iPhone 12. It's actually super easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, I've got an iPhone 12 here, and basically what I want to do in the video is just power it off, and then we'll take a minute and power it back on for you. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be holding two buttons together at the same time. First one's going to be found on the right. It's this big power button right here, and the other button that we're going to need to push is one of the two volume buttons on the left here. So I'm going to grab this one on the top here. I'm going to push. And we're going to hold for roughly a couple seconds. And as you can see, we get a couple of different options that immediately pop up. So we can slide that phone and power off at the top. We can also get to the medical ID as well as emergency SOS. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that over. And as you can see, the phone takes a couple seconds and then it's now powered off. Okay, so to power the phone back on, what we're going to do is hold those same buttons. I've got the power button over here I'm going to push and hold. I've got the volume button. Push those at the exact same time. We're going to hold until we see the Apple symbol come up on our screen. As you can see, it took roughly 3 to 5 seconds there. The phone will slowly power on now, and we should be good to go. Friends, I hope that helps. If it's made your life just a little bit easier, hit that thumbs up button for us. And then subscribe, because we're making a bunch more of these iPhone tutorials, and those will be released really, really soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.